bolts just came in. Catless, e60 and 54. And these are from a really special website. Not many people know about it. It's Alibaba. So, I'm not sure how these are supposed to be from the factory, but that's not straight. That's not straight at all. That's not straight. So I'm hoping that that is how they're supposed to be. Comes with, this is all it comes with, both the gaskets and the bolts. No new V-band, no really anything. We're just gonna set her up with about 2 jack stands and 2 jack stands. Peep the moto trophy in the back when you know about it. So first things first, here's the car. 2008 535 XI and 55. All's been done to it, intakes, and we got a custom 2-to-1 exhaust that I made with some scrap metal lying around and a set of eBay 3-inch exhaust. Like, we're gonna unplug the O2 sensors so we can pull them out of there. Let me show you. We're gonna have to take the beauty cover off, and then the O2 sensor plug should be right around here. So we're just gonna pop these 2 front bolts off of the beauty cover. It's a 5mm Allen. You just gotta get it done. So for a matter of fact, you can just wiggle this beauty cover off. I don't know why there's oil all the way up here, but I don't really care. Because I'm really not looking forward to crawling underneath this. Okay, it's actually really stable. Didn't expect that one. Figured now would be a good time to show you the custom 2-into-1 creation. Those are the 2 right after the cats. That's my Y-pipe, I guess. And then down there is all of the 3-inch eBay. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this cover off here and get better access to everything. Little tranny duct right there. It's pretty cool. So we have successfully removed the massive cover of the 535. Reinforcer plate here says do not drive without reinforcer plate. My theory is hopefully it won't cause everything to move and fall off of those there jack stands. Okay, exhaust isn't even roasting hot. Perfect. So what we're gonna do is take these 2 bolts off of each one. I believe they're 13mm. I think the reinforcement plate's all you have to take off. So this part of the install is actually easier than all 335s and stuff, because you gotta take off this and this. But this part's easier. Tranny tunnel falling apart, man. These are either 12 or 13mm bolts though. Then you'll take those 2 off. Get them out, pull them out. And you'll take and then actually after this and that, 90% confident in the reinforcer plate. 90% confident all it's holding them on is the V-bands. And that is going to be the hard part because they are crammed up in there. Not a fun install. So all these oil leaks, you're going to want to ignore them because it's a Beamer. That's just what happens. 6 bolts, 3 on each side. Here, these look to be about, I'm going to say 15mm. Probably probably whatever the other sizes are, like quarters and 3/65. I don't know. It's German, but we're gonna go try to do that right now. Okay, so the next step to victory here. We got that damn plate off. Now we got a whole lot more room to work with, even though it's actually 0. So bolt number 1 of the V-band is going to be right there. It's for this one, this outside V-band right here, or this outside downpipe. Bolt number 2, I forgot where it's located. It was up there somewhere. Oh, it's all the way back there. Right there. Right there. Yep. Uh-huh. So, this right side downpipe has got to come out first. First of all, though, we're going to take these off. And it is a 12 mil. I forgot how I got the up ones out. But, oh yeah, that won't be too bad. It'll just be terrible. So, yep, that's what we're gonna try to do. Just record this whole entire thing and cut out whatever I don't need. And you got a little bit of light going on. Take the swiveling guy out. Put it in that. Okay, fuck, or not. It'd be really cool if you did. So, theoretically, these ones shouldn't be too rusted on because I had them off not a super long time ago. Okay, that is incredible. I do remember, however, that these, fuck. I'm almost getting the perfect angle. This stock exhaust system, or not stock actually, my custom straight pipe was very quite difficult to get on because we fucked up the alignment just a little bit. Okay, so what you're going to want to do right now is you're going to want to get your super extension. Because I'm sick of this. You're not going to need it for this part, but for the future parts. Get your fucking power tools out. Way too damn long. Same thing for the other one. Don't want to cause too much rust dust everywhere. Actually, the good thing is I'm not going to be reusing those, so good to go in that department. And then get our super extension out. Yep. Put the swivel on the end of her and back way up. Fuck. My light died, by the way, so that's why we're struggling a bit. I got the old DeWalt light. Should be good to go. This is not a comfy working space, by the way. It's actually very dangerous. Very dangerous and not comfortable. Sorry, fellas. Trying to get this old extension lined up. Yep. Just get it rightly on like that. Okay, I think it's on. Fuck. Oh, I fucked it. Okay. Sources would happen to agree. Fuck. That, it's quite rough and tough up in here. which is, so it would make sense. I gave her all of it when I was putting it on. Didn't even strip it a little bit. So I might have to get the old brake ski bar out. But wait, I don't have it because it's the wrong fucking size. Oh boy, oh boy. Give me that ratchet back. We're just gonna use a regular ratchet for this, because it'll probably be stronger than the old electrical. Fuck. That's real tight. And that's all there is to it. Now we're just gonna let that dangle, put the impact back on it, because I'm not doing all that cranking. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Calm it down. Oh. My twisty thing walked up for a second there. Fuck. Okay. Fuck me. So, we're gonna hit this strategy. Put her on that one. Working on BMWs is like they're pulling a prank on you the whole time. I don't really appreciate it. Sorry, no commentary, guys. Lock it in. Good boy. So, I'm gonna get out of the way. And the strategy for getting this damn exhaust off is actually quite simple. Oh fuck, I might have to take the rear hanger off. That probably makes sense a little bit. Probably. Yeah, we're just gonna pull the entire exhaust because it's literally one hanger. I don't really care much about it. It was custom. Well, it's not a big deal. Let me show you this. Just taking a little bit of a break here. But, so, I dropped the exhaust from the one hanger in the back, and you can really see that it is complete straight pipe. You won't have these problems with a stock exhaust or an exhaust that you buy for it. It comes off really easy. Like,
You just give it a little tug and it comes off. Not like a little tug with any force. Like, you pretty much move it and it'll come off once you get those bolts out, or those nuts off. But yeah, just wanted to elaborate on that because I did it and we fabricated up my exhaust. It's kind of just a lot of eyeballing, so it didn't turn out super good. But oh, here's a YZ250 lawnmower, by the way. Pretty sick. We didn't exactly calculate anything, so that's just what happened. Okay. Custom exhaust removed. It's just sitting back there. These seals that are fucked up. Ooh. Take those off, don't need them. The next step, I'm gonna say, is these bolts right up here. Don't really know how I'm gonna get to them, but I'm going to try. And then that should be it for actual bolts. And it should, oh, there's a little wastegate there. I was gonna say, let me try to grab it. I can't fucking grab it. Nope. So, oh, silly gasket. Just gonna, ooh, baby. That's nasty up in there. But, yeah, I think, let's try to see what size that is. Back. About 50 things stabbing me in the ribs. I'm kind of thinking 12, honestly. It looks like a 12. Maybe a 13. Yeah, with the rust, it's almost a 13. I could probably just fit my fucking socket up in there. Little socket action. Oh, yeah. So close. Let me just rotate her. Tomato. Hold on. Okay, confirmed. Can fit a socket in there at least. Professional mechanic strap. A lot of this stuff up here is definitely going to be hand stuff, such as wrenches. Definitely no power tools up here, probably, if I had to guess. They just simply probably won't work. And the good thing about the aftermarket downpipes is they don't actually mount right there at all. It's just the V-band. So that's good. There's a lot less going into putting them in, other than snaking them through up there. That's the only bad part. Okay. Take that one off. Try not to forget about that. And then for that one, back up there. Oh, and they're cut out. That's actually so nice. I don't really know. Because, no, there's no way I could fit a socket up there. Can I reach it from back here? Okay, yes. So, I'm gonna... Where is my extensions? I don't know. Alright, so got slave worker Dylan out here. We managed to get one half off. So, wouldn't exactly recommend doing this without a lift. But it'll work, kinda.
You know, I think it probably would have been easier to take this one off first.
No, but I can't reach the bolt for the V-band.
Oh.
I don't think.
Well, that's kind of fucked up.
We can try. We might have more room now. Okay, with the power of teamwork,
We got the fucking bolt out.
Fuck, bud.
Set that over here. Now we gotta wiggle both of these fucking guys out. Try to separate that V-band up there somehow. Maybe. If I can get a super flat. I don't know. So, we've got the first downpipe in. Now it's time for modification of the second one. We're gonna hammer. We're just gonna hammer it. So essentially, right after that clip right there, I completely forgot that I was recording a video. And so there's nothing else about my install after that. The clip where I'm gonna dent it, but that was pretty much it. All you gotta do after you get that dent in, it's kind of hard to tell where you need it, but there's just gonna be a lot of kind of putting it in and taking it back out. Just kind of making sure everything's lined up right. So it's not as easy as everyone else is gonna say it is, but it's possible. I did it on 2 jack stands in a garage. So if you have all-wheel drive, it's gonna take quite a while. You're not gonna be very happy. You're not gonna be very happy at any point during this install, but it's possible. The exhaust is not fully hooked up yet. It's like not hooked up at all, actually. Pretty much just downpipes, but here's what we got. Downpipes aren't tight. There's about 35 exhaust leaks, but
Fuck. How's that? I'm back to install all my guns. Smoke the bitch out. Shoot the